Okay, Spanish 2. Hola, ¿cómo están ustedes? This is our last group of 4 structures, so let's get these done. Here we go. The first one is a little bit busy. Okay, so we're going to say un poco ocupado. Okay. The next one, he or she was right. It's going to be an expression that we're going to use with tener. Okay, so it's tenía razón. Okay, tenía razón. Literally, he or she had reason or rightness. Okay, tenía razón. Okay, the jail is la cárcel. Okay, you've probably heard incarcerate. So hear that word cárcel, la cárcel. Okay. Okay, the next one is the rope, la soga. There's many words out there for rope, but the one that's going to be in the reading, dealing with hanging, the guy who was fue ahorcado, he went hanged, or his sentence was to be hung. It is la soga. Okay. All right. The sin, el pecado. Okay, el pecado. And the last one, to be certain, tener por cierto. Okay, so tener por cierto is to be certain. Okay, all right, so let's repeat these real quick. Un poco ocupado. Tenía razón. La cárcel. La soga. El pecado. And tener por cierto. Hasta luego.